We'll have a little more interactive session all the time. I'm talking and you people are listening. So let's get to a few questions and use the chat box or raise your hand if you want to unmute yourself. Now, how many of parents have a problem with their children not having healthy eating habits? I think this you can give me a hands up because it'll be easier. Oh, 2, 3, even the ones with big kids. 4, 5, almost like I'm getting a lot of hands up for this particular question. I think that is why you people are here. And, this is a lot to do with childhood habits. And most of the parents don't know actually what to do with it. It happens in childhood. What are the kind of things? Can you tell me some incidents, some things that you used to get them into healthy habits? Before I start that, let me get a hands up for all of you. How many of you think you do not have healthy eating habits? Okay. See a lot of hands going up. So you know what I'm saying. I'll tell you, when I was in college until I got married, tab tak my mother was a doctor. We had very, very healthy eating habits at home. हमारे घर में कुछ बाहर रेस्टोरेंट्स वगैरह जाने का कोई चलन ही नहीं था. घर में खाना बनता था और बहुत शुद्ध और बहुत अच्छा खाना बनता था. But I was in a hostel. So, जब तक मेरी till 22, the only sabzi I had was bhindi and dal mein rajma. And then I think milk bilkul nahi. And piche my mother used to run. But when I was in the hostel, the 10 months that I was in the hostel, I ate everything. Whatever was served to me, I ate. Without making any nakras, kuch nahi wahi khate the. But the 2 months that I came at home, I never touched anything beyond bhindi, rajma, and my mother had such a difficult time. Every day she can't make bhindi and rajma. So, and we were vegetarians, so there was no non-veg. It was a very, very difficult time. Now, when I got married and first time I set up my house, सब्जी जब लेने गए तो भिंडी खरीदी. I was very happy कि अब तो मेरा राज चलेगा, अब तो रोज भिंडी खाएंगे. But then I realized after 2 days कि ये चलेगा नहीं. अब every day it's very boring. How can I give my husband भिंडी every day? Though he didn't complain, but still. So धीरे धीरे I started experimenting with the sabzis, variety बनानी है, 2 बार बनाना है. So I started experimenting, and when my mother came to my house, after about 8 months of my setting up house, she couldn't believe it. Ki my daughter is cooking tinda, tori, lauki, sab kuch, And she says, I can't believe this. Where did you learn all this from? So I said, necessity taught me. And actually then dheere dheere karke I started loving it. And as of today, my favorite sabzi is lauki. So you see how habits change and how mindsets change. So, I think when I analyze my childhood, I did not eat all this at home because at home, our food was so healthy all the time that it was boringly healthy. So every day, saag bhi banta tha, greens bhi bante the, fruit of course one liked, but and doodh was compulsory. So such a big glass of milk one had to have in the morning. Now, all this made you resent it was something like when you get too much of a good thing, then you take it for granted कि ये कोई खास चीज काम की नहीं है. And then hostel में, because you did not get anything, you just ate whatever was served and you ate it with relish because you were hungry. So one thing I learned was that children must be hungry. We don't let our children be hungry. All the time we are feeding them so much and, for every few hours that most children don't experience hunger. And that is why half the time उनको अच्छा ही नहीं लगता जो आप देते हो. Secondly, like a lot of you raised your hands and you said कि हमारे भी खाने की आदतें अच्छी नहीं है. Now, all my life, I cultivated good habits सिर्फ इसीलिए कि मेरी डॉटर मुझे देखकर और अच्छी चीजें सीखे. So पूरी लाइफ में restricted रही. After she got married, even my habits are very bad now. But over a period of time, what happened was that we as a family हमने बाहर बिल्कुल नहीं खाए. एक तो पैसे ही नहीं होते थे. We were, army officers don't have that much of pay कि आप restaurants में जाके खा सको. तो वो भी था. But more than that, genuinely, I never liked eating out because I loved my own cooking. क्योंकि खुद बना के और अपने बच्चे को आपने खिलाना होता है. You experiment with a lot of dishes. And army में if you see, most of the ladies are very good cooks because जहाँ जहाँ हमारी posting होती है मिलता ही कुछ नहीं है. So at our time, अभी तो बहुत कुछ मिलता है. At our time, we were at station जहाँ bread भी नहीं मिलती थी, तो bread भी बनानी सीखी. जो कुछ भी नहीं मिलता था. So सब बनाना सीखा. And then army gets a lot of free rations. So free rations में जब हमारा टाइम था, इतना गंदा free ration आता था. चने की दाल 3 किलो and वो भी ऐसी जो दाल के उसमें नहीं खाई जा सके. So वेस्ट नहीं कर सकते थे. तो उसके लड्डू बनाने सीखे, उसके नमकीन बनाने सीखे. देन कॉर्नफ्लेक्स के इतने बड़े बड़े पैकेट आते थे, फिर उसको उसके नमकीन बनाने सीखे. लौकी इतनी ज्यादा आती थी और इतनी सख्त और पुरानी आती थी दैट खा नहीं सकते थे उसको सब्जी की तरह. तो हमने उसकी खीर और आइसक्रीम बनानी सीखी. सो यू सी धीरे धीरे वो सीखते सीखते वन डेवलप्ड वंस कुकिंग स्किल्स ऑल्सो and one's tastes also. And because we were not very well off as far as money was concerned, so all the time हमारे उसमें होता waste कुछ नहीं करना है. So that came on into our children also. Now why I'm giving you so much personal example is कि eating habits किस तरह हम लोगों की बच्चों में जाती हैं और किस तरह change होती हैं. Now I remember my daughter was in the 2nd standard and घर में एक rule था कि जो टेबल पे आएगा वो सब खाएंगे. फॉर्चुनेटली माई हस्बैंड इज नॉट एट ऑल फसी. जो देते हैं वो खाते हैं. सो दिस गर्ल यूज्ड टू ईट और जो नहीं खाती थी थोड़ी फसी थी. तो और मैंने आई एम एमएससी इन न्यूट्रिशन. सो सिंस आई एम मास्टर्स इन न्यूट्रिशन इट वाज वेरी वेरी डीपली इनग्रेन्ड इन मी कि न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू तो ठीक होनी चाहिए. सो जो भी वो नहीं खाती थी उसको मैं मिक्सी में डाल के उसमें दही डाल के उसको चर्न करके और उसको पिला देती थी. So that nutrition तो अंदर चला ही जाए. So as a result, over a period of time, उसको मैंने, in fact, my friends used to come and tell me that, have you ever had what you give your daughter? Even cows don't have this, it is the kind of food you give her. So it was like that. But to me, nutrition was more important. So I used to feed her with all that. अब धीरे धीरे this girl developed an aversion to food. क्योंकि उसको सब फूड में वही नजर आता था, मिक्सी में वो करा हुआ कचरा. एंड शी वुडंट ईट, बट देन देयर वाज नो चॉइस. आई वाज वेरी वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट. सो एक दिन 2nd स्टैंडर्ड में थी. शी केम बैक फ्रॉम स्कूल एंड आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर बैंगन बनाए थे. तो शी सेज नो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू हैव एंड यू विल नॉट पुट इट इन द मिक्सी एंड आई विल नॉट इवन ड्रिंक इट. So I said, okay, this is a plate. आपका बैंगन यहाँ पड़ा है, रोटी यहाँ पड़ी है. Whenever you feel like having, please have, because इसी को खाने के बाद आपको next कुछ मिलेगा. Otherwise आपको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. So थोड़ी जिद्दी थी. She says, no, I will not have. So it went back to the fridge. शाम हुआ, शाम को she did not have. Next morning at breakfast, she says breakfast. So I said, well, that bangan is lying. You have to have that. Then only you will get something else. So by then she was so hungry. So she says, okay, I'll have that. She swallowed that bangan with water and then she got her food. Maybe I was too strict, but one lesson that day she learned कि किसी चीज को मना नहीं कर सकते हैं. And उसके बाद ये result था that when she got married, the first compliment I got from her mother-in-law was that you have brought up your daughter so well. कोई इसका नखरा नहीं है, इसको जो दो वो खा लेती है. So you see, over a period of time, I don't know whether the strictness worked. I don't know whether I was right or wrong. But it has to be, parenting has to be a mixture of all this. With some children, you try it out one way. With some children, you try it out another way. बट एज मदर्स और पेरेंट्स जो गुड ईटिंग हैबिट्स हैं, इसी अगर बच्चा हेल्दी ही नहीं है तो बाकी तो वो कुछ कर ही नहीं पाएगा. So now I'm asking you another question. Does your child eat at regular times? अगर आपके regular meal times हैं तो please put your hands up. Regular means रोज का आपका है कि say 8 o'clock breakfast है, 1 o'clock lunch है, tea time है, snack है, but there is no irregularity about it. How many of you have your children eating at regular times? Okay, that's very good. That's good discipline. At least I see 50% of the hands up. Now, if your child, now this you will have to unmute, raise your hand to unmute. If your child is fussy, like I did this, my child was fussy about bangan and I took an extreme measure. That's why I'm saying, you know, हमारे time में parenting workshops ही नहीं होती थी. किसी ने बताया नहीं कि कैसे करना है, so we worked on our own instincts. So, like I did, what do you do when your child just refuses to eat something and you know it is good for health? उसको खाना ही है. So, आपके tricks और tips क्या हैं? Anybody would like to say? Please raise your hand. Yes, Radhika.
My son does not eat lauki. So what I do, I always make lauki halwa and he just love it. And alternate days पर मैं उसके लिए लौकी हलवा बनाती हूँ दूध के साथ में, एंड ही जैसे उसे पता भी नहीं होता कि लौकी से बना हुआ है.
Okay.
जब खा लेता है उसके बाद उसे पता चलता है कि लौकी से बना हुआ है. मम्मा टेस्ट तो गाजर के हलवे जैसा है. मैं कहा ठीक है, गाजर का हलवा समझ के खाओ, बट खाओ.
Good. So you camouflage the food. Now when you camouflage the food like this, it's very good. उसने खा तो लिया, but एक तो खैर उसमें शुगर गई, because sugar लौकी जितनी अच्छी है उतनी शुगर बैड है. So secondly, उसको फिर भी ये नहीं लगा कि मुझे लौकी खानी चाहिए. He has had the halwa, so he has not got it into his head कि जो लौकी है which is healthy and ये मुझे खानी चाहिए. So okay. So anybody else has any other way they, yes, Ms. Maheshwari.
Ma'am, simple give and take. You finish this, next you can have your favorite food.
Okay. Now, when you do this, when you say ki, okay, you have lauki and then I will give you ice cream, the message the child is getting is कि लौकी जो है वो पनिशमेंट है, गंदी चीज है, वो मुझे किसी तरह swallow करके फिर मैं आइसक्रीम खाऊंगा, which is a good thing. So you see, the good and the bad food जो उसके दिमाग में बैठ रहा है is लौकी is bad and ice cream is good. So when you use food as a reward or a punishment, it is an indirect way of saying that, well, this is not a great food to have. You have to have it, but है नहीं अच्छा इतना. That I also agree that it's not bad. So as a mother, you are reinforcing the thing कि लौकी होती तो बुरी है, पर आपको खानी चाहिए क्योंकि इसलिए आपको खानी पड़ेगी. So he is eating it either as a reward or as a punishment. So anybody else who uses some other technique? No? Nobody else uses any other technique? ये तो बड़ी common problem है. क्या करते हो as mothers? You are young mothers. Yes, Afan, your name says Afan, I don't know. हाँ जी, unmute कीजिए.
Ma'am, I'm making vegetables and सब्जी जो बच्चा नहीं खाता है, मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि वो उस स्टफ पराठे में पराठा बना के खिलाऊं उसे.
Okay. Now, better way of doing it is, yes, because at least you're not adding, something which is more harmful to it. So that's a very good method कि उसको इस form में खिलाओ जहाँ पे उसको पराठा खाना भी ठीक है और उसको stuff करके उसकी सब्जी भी अंदर जा रही है. Anybody else? Yes, Mrs. Bopalkar, Harshad Bopalkar.
Yes, ma'am. मेरे बच्चे को डॉक्टर ने कहा कि ग्रीन वेजिटेबल खाओ, तो वो मेथी बिल्कुल नहीं खाता है. तो मैं उसे कहती हूँ तुझे मेथी खाना है तो तुम बताओ क्या बनाओ, मेथी के पराठे बनाऊं, मेथी की सब्जी बनाऊं, या मेथी का कुछ फ्राई करके दूं, तो वो उसके मन को जो भाता है वो ही मैं बनाती हूँ। फिर वो बोलता है हाँ मुझे मेथी की ये रेसिपी चाहिए, तो ठीक है, मैं आपको चाहिए ना तो वही बना के देती हूँ, वो बाद में खा लेता है और उसके मन के जैसा बनाए तो वो खुश भी हो जाता है।
Excellent idea. This is one of the ideal solutions where you make the child decide कि उसको क्या करना है. तो like in other parenting sessions also I tell you, बच्चों को सबसे अच्छा ये लगता है कि मेरे मन की हुई. So उसको आप इस तरह करिए जो उसके मन की लगे. So this is I think an excellent idea. Take the children shopping with you. और आज तक जब अभी भी मैं किसी वेजिटेबल मार्केट से व्हेन आई गो थ्रू अ वेजिटेबल मार्केट, मेरी आंखें उस पे ऐसे ड्रूल करती हैं जैसे कि मैं डायमंड्स की शॉप से जा रही हूँ. बिकॉज आई लव द साइट ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स, और मुझे लगता है एंड आई ऑलवेज ओवर बाय. एंड माई मेड ऑलवेज टेल्स मी, आप इतना क्यों खरीदते हो? आई सेड बिकॉज आई कैन नॉट रेजिस्ट. तुम खा लो, कोई भी खा ले, बट आई लव टू बाय वेजिटेबल्स. So over a period of time, of course, I mean, I did not learn it at your age. I was also young like that only. But somehow over a period of time, ये चीज जो है vegetables या जो भी healthy foods हैं, ये naturally मेरी psyche में इतने बस गए कि today actually I prefer the healthy foods to unhealthy foods. It is not कि मैं as a punishment खाती हूँ या मेरे को खाना ही चाहिए इसलिए खाती हूँ. Actually, I love the greens, I love the vegetables, I love milk products, all the healthy things are actually my favorites. So how do you make these things favorites of a child? Not a punishment for a child. So this is a very good way of doing it. Take your children vegetable shopping. And when you स्कूल में वो वैसे भी बहुत पढ़ते हैं फ्रॉम क्लास 1 ऑनवर्ड्स, फ्रूट्स वेजिटेबल्स कौन से अच्छे होते हैं, किसमें विटामिन होते हैं, किसमें क्या होता है. सो द कलरफुल थिंग्स, द साइट इज सो अट्रैक्टिव फ्रेश वेजिटेबल्स की. सो टेल देम आपने जो कल खाना है वो आप चूज करो ना. नेचुरली जब आप वेजिटेबल्स चूज करने लगोगे, मोस्ट ऑफ द वेजिटेबल्स आर गुड. फॉर दैट मैटर इवन पोटैटोज आर गुड इफ यू डोंट फ्राई देम. सो व्हेन अ चाइल्ड इज सिलेक्टिंग, उस टाइम में टेल हिम, डजंट इट लुक सो अट्रैक्टिव? ना ज्यादातर बच्चे मेथी क्यों नहीं खाते हैं? थोड़ी सी वो कड़वी होती है. सो आइदर यू लर्न रेसिपीज जिसमें उसकी कड़वाहट चली जाए, बट अदरवाइज डेवलप द नेचुरल टेस्ट ऑफ दैट लिटिल बिटरनेस इन द चाइल्ड बाय थोड़ा थोड़ा उसे, जो भी हमारी टंग है ना वो यूज टू हो जाती है. लाइक जब मैंने चीनी छोड़नी चाहिए, आई कुड नॉट लीव, आई टू हैव 1 टीस्पून इन अ कप. उसको मैंने 3/4, half, 1/4 and over 1 or 2 years अभी मुझे चीनी वाली अच्छी नहीं लगती है because the taste buds have got accustomed to it. So similarly, ये जो सब चीजें जो मुझे भी बचपन में और यूथ में बहुत कड़वी लगती थी, आज करेला, मेथी बहुत अच्छी लगती है because over a period of time my taste buds have developed that way. So that is I think one of the most the best methods that you can use to have your child become non-fussy about eating. Okay, next question. How many of you eat together as a family? So at least this is one thing I love about traditional households. ये चीजें जो हैं ये modern households में सिखानी पड़ती हैं. But I see so many hands up that most of you I think are eating with your families, which unfortunately हमारे साथ कभी नहीं हुआ because my husband's job was like that, he was away. Then I was not so knowledgeable. मुझे भी कभी बहुत ज्यादा सूझा नहीं कि नहीं we have to sit on the table as a family and eat. So I feel very bad today because we just did not get into this thing, but this is the best way of getting children to eat healthy because they're sitting with everybody. लेकिन उसके लिए क्या है, मदर और फादर की जो भी प्रेजुडिसेस हैं वो बच्चे में आ ही जाती है ना. इफ यू सिटिंग टुगेदर एंड ईटिंग, यू कैन नॉट से कि मुझे ये चीज अच्छी नहीं लगती, मैं नहीं खाऊंगी, तुम खा लो. सो दैट्स अ फ्लिप साइड ऑफ सिटिंग टुगेदर एंड ईटिंग. बट अगर आप इकट्ठे मिलके और बैठ के खाते हो, देन इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप कोई भी पर्सनल प्रेफरेंसेस उसमें नहीं लाओ. बहुत सारे हाउस होल्ड्स में, स्पेशली जॉइंट फैमिलीज में, Yes, at least once a day we have a meal together. Joint families में ये देखा गया है कि ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स जो हैं वो बच्चों को बहुत ज्यादा पैम्पर करते हैं. Okay, we'll come to that story वाला thing also later. Now, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स जब अपने बच्चों को पैम्पर करते हैं तो टेबल पे जो भी खाना बना है, ग्रैंड मदर का दिल पिघलेगा बिकॉज द चाइल्ड इज नॉट हैविंग दैट. अच्छा, मैं तेरे लिए एक पराठे बना देती हूँ. अच्छा, मैं उठ के तेरे लिए ये बना देती हूँ. सो जो भी आपने सिखाया है, इट गेट्स जीरो. बिकॉज द मोमेंट somebody is ready to make something for him or her, वो उसके बाद उसको टच नहीं करेगा. So whatever comes to the table must be eaten by everybody. Now it is, consciously हम सोचते हैं कि मेरे को अपने prejudices नहीं करने चाहिए. लेकिन आप फ्रेंड्स के साथ बैठे हैं और आप फ्रेंड्स के साथ जब डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, नॉर्मल बात कर रहे हैं कि मुझे तो ना आई हेट मिल्क, जो मिल्क में मलाई आती है ना, हॉरेबल, इट इज हॉरेबल, मेरे तो गले में चुभती है. आपने ये बोला नहीं कि बच्चे के गले में वो चुभने लगेगी. सो ही हैज पिक्ड अप दैट सेंटेंस फ्रॉम यू एंड वॉट एवर यू डू, इससे वो तो ठीक है, वो कभी भी बिना छाने दूध नहीं पिएगा. So when you mention these things, be careful that your child will get those habits. Mostly बच्चों को बॉर्नवीटा पर या कुछ चॉकलेट डाल के पीने की आदत क्यों पड़ती है? कोई भी बच्चा, the child is actually brought up on breast milk. Breast milk doesn't have chocolate, no. After that, bottled milk also you don't give chocolate. But as soon as the child comes on the glass, उसको चॉकलेट डाल के and he starts having the chocolate and then he doesn't go back to plain milk. He only wants chocolate. So sometimes it is the parents का prejudice coming in. Also he sees हमारे घरों में क्या होता है, बच्चों को दूध पीना है, लेकिन हम लोग तो दूध नहीं पियेंगे ज्यादा, हम चाय पियेंगे. So जब चाय पियेंगे तो बच्चे को चाय चाहिए, he is seeing something brown. ना चाय he can understand कि बड़े लोग जो हैं वो चाय पीते हैं, लेकिन उसको चाय नहीं मिल रही है तो नेक्स्ट बेस्ट थिंग इज चॉकलेट डाल दो. नाउ वंस दीज थिंग्स, स्पेशली दीज प्रिजर्व थिंग्स, आर सो एडिक्टिव, कॉफी है या चॉकलेट है, कि एक बार उसके मुंह पे लग गई तो देन ही विल नॉट हैव, एंड देन यू फील कि चलो दूध तो पी रहा है, चॉकलेट डाल के ही दे दो. सो ओवर एंड ओवर यू गिविंग हिम दैट स्वीट चॉकलेट मिल्क, व्हाई विल ही हैव प्लेन मिल्क? सो देन ही gradually stops having any plain milk. So this also comes from us. This also comes from our family habits which are like that. Now, अगर सुबह उठ के सभी एक एक कप दूध पी रहे हैं, then he knows कि this is a normal routine. सबको दूध ही पीना होता है, इसके अलावा कुछ है ही नहीं. So हमारे घर में जो होता था 3 गिलास दूध के ही लगते थे, मतलब चाय सुबह बनती नहीं थी, तो that was not an option. So जाते जाते एक गिलास अपना अपना पी के और जाओ. So that is another thing, that is very important. Secondly, a lot of children in Icon Public School, so I have noticed, I think a lot of children faint in the morning. Assembly में आके, and not that we have a long standing assembly, we have a long assembly, but after prayers they all sit down. So it's not that, and secondly, in any case, such small children, they have no business to faint in the morning. So that means either they are coming hungry or not properly hydrated. So aate hi a lot of children are vomiting, they are fainting. So what happens is vomiting because there's not enough time in the morning. Now meals should always be at a relaxed pace. Now अगर बच्चा 7 बजे उठ रहा है और 7:20 पे उसकी 7:15 पे उसकी बस आ रही है, तो how does he have the time to even drink milk? So in this 15 minutes when he gets dressed and has gulps down his milk, and उसके बाद वो बस में स्कूटर पे बैठ जाता है, then obviously he will vomit. Once he vomits, his stomach is empty, and when his stomach is empty, he will faint. So this is a natural thing. So that is one thing all families should do, not only for eating, otherwise also, at least an hour and a half, the child should be up. Firstly, the morning starts well. He's in a good mood, when he's doing things relaxed. He's not getting one thappad from here and his uniform being, shoved onto him. So he is more relaxed when he goes to school. You're hugging him, kissing him goodbye, and he feels happy and he has time to have his milk. And first thing in the morning, if you give him milk, he his stomach gets clear before he goes. So he's not nervous कि मुझे कब potty आ जाएगी. So that's another thing that, children feel. Now, if a child is having his milk right before he comes, in school, it's a natural thing. He will want to go into potty. Then he feels shy, he feels ashamed. He doesn't want to go. So that is, he starts associating milk with this discomfort. कि दूध पिया तो ये सब problem होगी, दूध ही मत पियो. So that's another thing that I think all parents should do, is to have the child get up early and आराम से breakfast खाए या जो भी उसको खाना है उस टाइम खाए. ना उस टाइम क्या होता है, मॉर्निंग में मोस्ट मदर्स कंप्लेन कि टाइम नहीं होता है और सुबह सुबह एक ग्लास दूध पी के अंदर डाल के और वो भाग जाता है. सो टिफिन जो है उसका जो भी आप देते हैं, टिफिन बाय एंड लार्ज आइकॉन बच्चों का जो टिफिन है हेल्दी होता है. Because one, they sit in class and teachers monitor them and they see what they're eating. So mothers की जो reputation है, that depends on the tiffin of the child. So all teachers, comment कि इसकी मम्मी तो सिर्फ उसको चिप्स दे देती हैं, उठती नहीं है, lazy है. So when the mother makes some nice things, तो teachers comment करती हैं कितनी केयर करती है मदर, सुबह उठ के इतना अच्छा खाना बना के देती हैं. And also, if you make healthy food, that's one time he will eat because he is with his friends, 1. 2, he is hungry. And 3, is monitored by the teacher. So that's a good time to give him some healthy food. वो उसको खाना ही पड़ेगा और वो सबके साथ he can't say कि मुझे ये नहीं पसंद है, वो नहीं, because teacher will tell him कि नहीं अच्छा है. So he will eat it up. So that is the time to give him green vegetables. Give him some paranthas with green vegetables, give him some vegetable and roti so that he gets in that nutrition. Now, how many of you force your children to eat? Have the last bite, khatam karo, khatam nahi. I have also told these stories to my daughter very often कि तुम अगर खाना waste करोगे, then I used to show her pictures of Africa. देखो इन बच्चों को कुछ नहीं मिलता है और ये देखो कितने hungry हैं, तुम ऐसे next जन्म में ऐसे बनोगे. And so a lot of mothers do that. I also did that. So how many of you do that? Yes, Radhika's laughing. Neeta's. So a lot of people do that. सबसे पहले अफ्रीकन बच्चे दिखाते हैं कि देखो जो खाना नहीं खाते वो ऐसे हो जाते हैं, मतलब आप नहीं खाना खाओगे. Now children are getting very smart. One day they'll tell you मेरा खाना यहाँ जो वेस्ट हो रहा है उससे वो साउथ अफ्रीका को नहीं मिल रहा है. How is it connected? हमारे बच्चे बेचारे, they were simple, they never questioned us. But we do give these examples कि खाना वेस्ट नहीं करना है. What do you think? It's a good idea or no? Is it a good idea to not let food go waste? And tell the child अभी से खत्म करो, खाना खत्म करना है. Chat box में yes, no? Yes. Okay, some are saying yes, some are saying no. Yes, Parth Vadwa's mother says, ma'am, it's a rule in my house. Everyone has to eat what is cooked. In case not, you'll get the portion in your next meal. So it's better to have it now than this is what I did to my bangans. Okay? Yes. So some are saying, most are saying yes. They say finish your food. Okay. Okay, so most mothers do that, finish your food. That's a favorite line, कि खाना plate में छोड़ना नहीं है, which is of course a very good habit. You cannot waste food. But sometimes, the child is full. Would you rather have your child's stomach as a dustbin or the dustbin as a dustbin? So most of us do that as housewives also. मैं भी करती हूँ कि थोड़ा सा बच गया है, अभी डस्टबिन में फेंकना पड़ेगा क्योंकि इतना थोड़ा ना तो बाई ले जा सकती है ना उसको वापस फ्रिज में रख सकते हैं, तो खा लो. And that is why this weight that you see is because of that only. Because we cannot waste and we just put it in. And when you think properly, you think कि मैं dustbin हूँ क्या? It's better that I throw it in the dustbin than throw it in my stomach. So similarly for children, एक तो उनको मोस्ट ऑफ अस फील कि अगर उनको फर्स्ट हेल्पिंग हमने बड़ी नहीं दी तो जब खत्म हो जाएगा तो he'll be happy, देन वो तो लेगा ही नहीं, सेकेंड हेल्पिंग बिल्कुल नहीं लेगा, तो इसलिए उसको अभी स्टफ कर दो. Okay, so this is most of us feel like that. Now, is it a good idea to do that? हमारे children know their stomachs, and I have never heard of anybody dying of starvation when they're getting food. वो साउथ अफ्रीका की बात और है, because they do not get food, so over a period of time they starve. But जहाँ आपको रोज खाना available है, वहाँ पर I have not heard of any child dying of starvation. So that is why when I kept my daughter hungry for almost one full day and more, so all my friends were telling me how cruel that पूरा दिन अपने बच्चे को hungry रखा. But that's what I told them. I said nobody dies of hunger. जब इतनी भूख लगेगी कि वो बैंगन भी because I had what I had learned. हॉस्टल में जब भूख लगती थी तो सब कुछ खाते थे ना. So I thought back and I said जब मुझे भूख लगती थी तो मैं वही घिया तोरी बिल्कुल पतली पतली दाल सब खाती थी. So नखरे कब होते थे? जब भूख नहीं होती थी. तो जब mothers forcing you to eat every 2 hours, ये भी खा लो, वो भी खा लो, वो भी खा लो, then you're not hungry. So that is why when children are hungry, they will eat. But if the child is एक दो बार बोलो, but if the child is vehemently saying कि no, I'm full, उससे क्या होगा? When you stuff the food into the child's mouth and say no, you have to finish, उसको धीरे धीरे जो खाने का एक्सपीरियंस है उससे नफरत होने लगेगी. खाने के टाइम पे उसे दहशत होने लगेगी, ओफो अब ये फिर स्टफ करेंगे. So that is why it's better to take off the plate and say, and then over a period of time realize कि इतना ही खा सकता है मेरा बच्चा और उसकी appetite इतनी है. And all children are different. Some children sit and eat proper 3 meals a day. Some children have 6 meals a day. So you can space it out in 6 meals if you feel your child is a small eater. But otherwise, if he's not lethargic, if he's playing his games, if he's looking healthy, that means he's eating the amount he should be eating, and there's no need for you to force him. So, next time, please don't do that. Now, another thing that we are all guilty of, like somebody just wrote, ki, how do you feed your child? I tell a story to my child, and I feed my child with the story. Most of us do that. जो स्टोरी नहीं सुना सकते हैं वो एक मोबाइल दे देते हैं, एक आईपैड दे देते हैं, एक टैबलेट दे देते हैं, उसमें अपनी देखो, फिर वो बच्चा इतना बिजी होता है कि आप उसके मुंह में कुछ भी डालते जाओ वो खाता जाएगा. So this is, I think we are all guilty of it, and almost 99% of mothers I've seen do that. Even those mothers who are very conscious कि मैं अपने बच्चे को ना बिल्कुल स्क्रीन टाइम नहीं करने देती हूँ, but they are so fed up कि इतना पेशेंस कौन रखेगा, तो खाने के टाइम the child is allowed the gadget. उसके हाथ में गैजेट दिया और उसको खाना खिलाया, thank God खाना खा लिया, गैजेट ले लिया वापस, and then things are peaceful. Now again, what is the lesson the child is learning? कि जितनी देर मेरे हाथ में मैं खाता रहूंगा ना, उतनी देर मेरे को गैजेट मिलेगा. तो या तो वो बहुत स्लो खाना शुरू करेगा, या वो उसको बिल्कुल सेंस ही नहीं होगी वो कर क्या रहा है. तो उसको ना टेस्ट आ रहा है, ना उसे हंगर की फीलिंग पता चल रही है, कब वो फुल है कब वो हंग्री है. ही इज मोर ग्रीडी अबाउट द गैजेट. तो वो इतना ज्यादा खा लेगा कि उसको भूल जाएगा कि उसको स्टॉप भी करना है. And you don't know how much his stomach has taken. So that is one thing absolutely on your no TV, no gadget, and preferably no stories either. Stories means you can talk to the child, you can talk to him interesting things, but stories means uska pura mind jo hai wo aapki story par hai. So whether it's a gadget or the story, his mind is he's not enjoying the flavor of the food. So talk about food, talk about how nice things taste, कैसे कितना fresh उगता है. Sometimes I used to make it a conscious effort that sometimes you just talk about the taste of healthy food. I used to often tell my daughter कि when I see fresh palak ना मेरे खाने को दिल करता है, and my mouth used to almost start watering. कि and the message she was getting was कि palak is very tasty, not only healthy and punishment food, it's tasty. So जो हरी सब्जी को काटते काटते, if she was in the kitchen, I'd say I love this, sound of that crunchy vegetable being cut. Then another thing I think a lot of children do is they love Maggie. Now, when my daughter used to ask for Maggie, I used to tell her, is ये जो white Maggie है ना, when you make it, it looks like worms. And इतनी गंदी वो गिच feeling आती है. So, but if you put a lot of carrots and if you put a lot of peas in it and थोड़ा सा color डाल के capsicum डाल दो, then at least it looks cheerful. So now when you tell a child repeatedly that, तो उसको भी दिमाग में वो मैगी जो है ना, वो कच बिल्कुल ऐसे लगनी शुरू हो जाएगी कि अच्छी नहीं है. And धीरे धीरे I noticed this change in her, that she stopped having Maggie because उसको जो mind में image आती थी, वो worms की आती थी. So pizza when used to have, so as to tell her stories like, pizzas खाते हैं ना, जो मैदा होता है ना, सी कैसे भूनते हैं तो कैसे आपस में चिपक जाता है, ऐसे जाके हमारे intestine में सब चिपक जाता है. And then it can't get out, and it just rolls and rolls in your stomach, and has to make it sound so ugly that actually she grew up thinking कि मैदा is a very ugly thing to have. So till now she does not have anything with pure maida, pure sugar and all that, because in her mind that image is made कि कितनी गंदी चीज है. Then once I remember I was feeding her and वो जल्दी जो उससे अच्छा नहीं लगता था, पानी के साथ she used to एक sip water, एक sip vegetables खा के she used to do it. So one day I told her, I said it's very good, but जब मिट्टी और पानी मिलाओ तो कीचड़ बनता है. So in your stomach what is happening is कीचड़ बनता जा रहा है, कीचड़ ही बनता जा रहा है. So then I heard her telling her friends कि ऐसे नहीं खाना चाहिए, पेट में कीचड़ हो जाता है. So you see, children form all this with mothers. जो आपके माइंड में होगा वो उनको ट्रांसफर होगा ही होगा. At our house no water was served with the food. हमें ख्याल ही नहीं आता था कि पानी भी रखना है, because somewhere I had read it's not good, and after that stopped it, और इच्छा भी नहीं होती थी. So there were no glasses on the table. So as a result, when she started having water and she was told that, so she followed the same pattern. So these are things that you can encourage in children. TV, absolute no. Gadget, absolute no. When the child is having, food should be discussed. And now, recipes can be discussed. What goes with what can be discussed. All these things, how they can be made attractive can be discussed. All nutritional value of food can be discussed. Not in a boring manner, but, if you have carrots, अगर बच्चा खा रहा है, देखो ये धीरे धीरे यहाँ जाती हैं, फिर ये blood में जाती हैं, फिर उसके बाद जब eyes में जाती हैं, तो eyes में चमक आ जाती है. So child will understand that, start associating carrots with eyes. And he's read it in his books also. So he'll know कि मम्मी झूठ तो नहीं बोल रही हैं, बिल्कुल ठीक बोल रही हैं. ना ग्रीन वेजिटेबल से कहते हैं, कितने लोगों के देखो पिंपल्स होते हैं, कितने ooze out करते हैं, अच्छा नहीं होता. When you have green skin, ऐसे glowing हो जाती है. So advertisements में दिखाओ कि look at this girl, ये actually ये पाउडर से नहीं हुई है, ये green vegetables खा के हुई है, अभी इसको बोल रहे हैं पाउडर से बताओ. So these kind of indirect things when you tell a child, so the child gets a positive value to food. Again, like in the beginning we discussed, do not use food as a reward or punishment, at least not very often. Once in a while, ठीक है, but not very often, because the child gets a message that ice cream, pizzas, burgers, they are reward foods. So anything, anytime he, have you ever heard of a child कि मम्मा मैं first आया और मुझे पालक बना के दो, मम्मा मैं first आया आज मैं करेला खाऊंगा? Because we have not put that value on food. They want to go out. Now, as far as going out is concerned, I personally don't eat at restaurants, but I'm not saying it's bad. एक social need होती है इंसान की, restaurants पे जाके खाना, but not very often, because educate the children कि जो restaurants में है, किस तरह preservative जो है वो डाले जाते हैं, किस तरह unhygienic चीज हो सकती है. So all that will develop a hatred in the child for eating out in places like this. बच्चे आजकल तो बहुत ज्यादा दे वांट टू गो आउटिंग रखो, आउटिंग पिकनिक्स रखो, आउटिंग फैमिली आउटिंग्स रखो, where you make the food and take, so that the child knows कि eating is a pleasurable activity without going to restaurants. Even restaurants में जाके most children love burgers. Burger बनाना कितना मुश्किल है घर में. Its buns are available. Buns भी आप खुद बना सकते हो, but anyway, tedious task, तो buns are available. उसमें what you put inside at least will be healthy. The cutlet you make will be a vegetable cutlet. The mayonnaise that you buy from the market will not be used. You'll put some nice butter or cream or something. So at least it will be healthy. And धीरे धीरे आपकी cooking skills इतनी improve हो जाएंगी that बच्चे they will not eat outside because they will not like that food. Till date, my daughter doesn't ever have a pizza outside or pasta outside because she says, I cannot, because वो पतला सा वो देते हैं, उसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा कुछ लगा होता है, but mama makes with so much of filling and so delicious. So start making things at home, start going out, for picnics, outdoor things, so that you don't have to go out to restaurants. Now, a lot of housewives will say, एक ही time तो हमें मिलता है जब हमें cooking नहीं होती है. And हमें भी चैन मिलता है. Now a lot of you, I think I have noticed this, especially in Ahmednagar cities, when I talk to people, आप लोग तो बहुत इन चीजों में conscious है कि घरों में सब कुछ बनता है, and otherwise also food habits में very healthy foods you have, your combinations and all are very good. Now cooking का जहां तक छुट्टी रहने का सवाल है, I have noticed a lot of families जहां पर वो सुबह का खाना शाम को नहीं खाते हैं. In fact, I think my teachers will bear by me. I tell a lot of them, I said, एक बार क्यों नहीं बनाते हो? हमारे घर में कोई भी बासी खाना नहीं खाता है, हमारे घर में सुबह का खाना कोई नहीं खाता है. अब सब family members तो आपने बिगाड़ रखे हैं, तो you have to cook twice. So what is wrong in cooking once? If you're eating out at restaurants, do you know when they cook? शायद 3 दिन पहले का आपको खिला रहे हैं, वहां तो आपको बुरा नहीं लगता, आपके हस्बैंड को बुरा नहीं लगता, लेकिन वाइफ फ्रेश कुक करके खिलाएगी. सो टू कट डाउन ऑन योर कुकिंग एफर्ट, लर्न टू हैव लेबर सेविंग थिंग्स, जहां पे आप सुबह प्रॉबेबली बनाए नहीं भी तो सब तैयारी करके रख दें, शाम को विद इन 10 मिनट्स मील तैयार हो जाता है. इसी तरह अगर सुबह आपको ब्रेकफास्ट में या टिफिन में कुछ देना है, शाम को तैयारी करके रख दें. So these kind of things will not only save money, it will save a lot of health for your whole family. And get your family out of this thing कि यहाँ तक कि a lot of people वो तो पानी भी रात का रखा हुआ नहीं पीते हैं. So these kind of things, I think we need to change our lifestyles and get your families used to it. Also जो भी आपकी dislikes, prejudices हैं, वो आप बड़ी subtly उसको, when you are adults you can't change so much, try and change, but if you can't change, उसको आप subtly ऐसे करो ताकि बच्चों के सामने एटलीस्ट नहीं दिखे. आप उनके सामने एक नॉर्मल जो आपको उनसे करवाना है वो करें, बाद में आप अपने जो है वो देख लें. Yes. So now what are the foods you eat to celebrate? जब भी आपको बर्थडे होता है, किसी की एनिवर्सरी होती है या कोई फेस्टिवल होता है, आप देखें आप जो भी खाना खाते हैं ऑल अनहेल्दी खाते हैं. आप हेवी स्वीट्स खाते हैं, राइट? आप तला हुआ खाना खूब ऐसे. So all that food is associated with celebration. Obviously for the child all that food is great. आप सेलिब्रेशन के टाइम जो भी बनाए उसको एटलीस्ट कुछ हेल्दी इंग्रेडिएंट्स डाल के बनाए, ताकि वो आपके बच्चे के दिमाग में एक सेलिब्रेशन फूड भी हेल्दी फूड हो. जब कोई गेस्ट आते हैं आप उनको क्या खिलाते हैं? ऑल अनहेल्दी. So these are the things you can do to make your whole atmosphere of living and healthy. Now also, at which age do you think healthy habits are formed? Chat box. According to you, at which age early age, 4 to 6, yes. ना अगर आपने 4 to 6 एक्चुअली अर्लियर, आजकल बच्चे जो खाना जंक फूड तो 2-3 से ही शुरू कर देते हैं, सो फ्रॉम 2 to 6 इफ यू हैव नॉट मेड दिस हैबिट्स इन योर फैमिली, इट्स अनलाइकली दैट यू कैन चेंज. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. जितने साल ज्यादा होते जाएंगे उतना ज्यादा मुश्किल हो जाएगा. लाइक नीता हैज ग्रोन अप डॉटर्स एंड शी सेज मेरे लड़कियां अभी तक नहीं खाती हैं, वेरी डिफिकल्ट. नाउ दे विल लर्न व्हेन दे गेट मैरिड. And now there's very little that you can do after teenage. तो आप try भी मत कीजिए, because उसके बाद it is just getting unpleasantness into your house and spoiling relationships. They will not listen. Their habits are formed, so you can pray to God that when they get married, they can develop some healthy habits to teach their children. Now, if your child is overweight, हम लोग इतने ब्लाइंड होते हैं अपने बच्चों के उसमें that हमें अच्छे खासे ओवरवेट चिल्ड्रन बहुत क्यूट लगते हैं, and we call them plump. We'll never tell a child you're fat. We'll say you're plump. इतना क्यूट है, गोलू मोलू है. We give them such cute names that they don't want to become thin. So please see to it. Overweight होना एक बच्चे के लिए it's like poison, because at that age if a child does not, तो हमारे एज में आते आते तो खैर हो ही जाते हैं हम कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे, लेकिन at that age if a child is not bodily fit, it's very probable, especially आजकल के टाइम में, that the child will have a lot of problems. आजकल डायबिटीज जो है बच्चों में बहुत ज्यादा देखने को मिलती है. So if you find your child is lethargic, and give him a lot of fruit, give him a lot of vegetables, and सबसे ज्यादा what we neglect is water. We forget to hydrate children. So उससे क्या होता है, एक्चुअली बच्चे को प्यास लगी होती है, उसको ऐसे लगता है कि भूख लगी है. So when he eats, he feels sick. When he feels sick, he doesn't like food. So that's another reason a lot of children don't like food, because they associate it with sickness. And actually, you said pyas. Anytime a child says, I'm hungry, first give him a glass of water. And usse nahi satisfy hota, so he is hungry. Otherwise, he's actually, most of the times, children are thirsty. And one vitamin which is very important for the child is B. Vitamin B complex. You all have their EVS books, so you will know. So children में this deficiency is very common. And for my masters I had मेरा जो thesis का topic था was anemia in teenage girls. You'll be surprised, I did a survey of almost 1,000 girls जिनका blood लिया, सब कुछ, उनकी eating habits. So it was a big project. And even at that time, what we found was that anemia was more prevalent in the very well-off group, rich group. It was not there in the poor slums, because हमारी comparative study थी. क्योंकि poor people जो थे वो greens खाते थे, जो rich लोग थे वही तो burgers खाते थे, वो greens नहीं खाते थे. So it was very prevalent, and the same situation is now. But now when I read studies, similarly, girls in the age of 10 to say 16 are by and large anemic, क्योंकि ये चीजें वो नहीं खाती हैं. And these are the girls from good families, not the poor families. So these are generally some of the tips where you can keep a healthy food background. Anything that you want to add to it? Anything that you want to add to it? You can unmute. Yes, Radhika, you want to say something? No? Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am. This all reminded me of our trip to Jalgaon. If you remember, we had very healthy food and the children were just making a fuss not to eat, but the food was really very good, very healthy.
Yes, when we take children out, on trips like this, हमें उनका तब ज़्यादा पता चलता है क्योंकि हमारे साथ रहते हैं. And I'll tell you one thing. When we took, Neeta, you will remember when we took them to Hyderabad. हैदराबाद जब हम उनको लेके गए, बहुत बच्चे ऐसे थे जो स्विगी से ऑर्डर कर रहे थे. They would not eat what was served, and what was served was, all of us ate. It was perfectly nice, healthy, good food, बिल्कुल स्वच्छ खाना, but they were not eating. And I remember Mrs. Swaroop remarked so many times, और इनको बोला कि my grandchildren were there from Singapore, And these two children did not make a fuss at all. अपनी थाली लेके चुपचाप they were eating and being very happy. And these हमारे जो बच्चे थे, वो जो है उनका खाना था actually, because these children are not used to eating, this kind of so much of vegetarian food in any case. But बड़े आराम से उन्होंने खुशी से खाया, जो मिला वो खाया. लेकिन ये जो बच्चे थे, ये तो बाहर से ऑर्डर कर रहे थे, स्विगी से ऑर्डर कर रहे थे. इनसे पूछा क्यों, ये हमको जमता नहीं है. Now you see, these are family taught habits. And what I felt proud was कि जो मैंने अपनी डॉटर को सिखाया था, आज वो एज अ मदर अपने बच्चों को पूरा वैसे ही सिखा रही है. So whether she liked it or not, but at least she learned that lesson and she has taught her children not to make a fuss. आज तक उनकी टेबल पे भी बिल्कुल कुछ ऐसा चीज नहीं होती है which anybody can refuse. So उस टाइम में शायद बुरा लगता है बच्चों को, लेकिन जब बड़े होके वो अपने बच्चों के साथ ये करते हैं, then you know that you were right. So which is very true. Children, some of them were showing such spoiled habits and पूरा junk food खाया, कुछ नहीं मान रहे थे, and they are grown up children. I'm glad you brought that out because it was one of the things that really irked me कि क्यों बच्चे इस तरह से फंसी हो रहे हैं.
And we also like the discipline, ma'am, in that, huge their eating hall. It was so peaceful, so calm, so serene.
Yes.
No gadgets, nothing. We didn't see
Nothing,
anything.
Yeah, they did not allow anybody to bring any gadgets because you see, ये जो इस तरह के institutions होते हैं, they realize the value of this. Anybody else? Okay. Is there anything specific that you want me to take up? Otherwise, I take up topics according to what I think are important, but you are young parents. So anything that you face, you want me to take up, I'll take it up. Otherwise, one of the topics we'll take up. I hope you enjoyed the session and I hope you're practicing what we talk about. Thoda try kijiye. And what I want is a feedback on your practices. Suppose you actually after the session you've tried something and you've been successful or not successful. I want you to get back so that we know whether it is having any effect. ये भजन कीर्तन तो है नहीं जो आप रोज यहाँ आके सुनेंगे and उसके बाद सब भूल जाएंगे. These are some things that I strongly feel that we were not told, we did it by instinct. So sometimes if you're told, you do it better. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for attending. Lovely seeing you. And I really enjoy these sessions once a week. I see all of you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.